Welcome to the Love and Health Seminar. This is our 5th session. After working at the Medical College of Wisconsin in the United States, I returned to Japan about 10 years ago. I am currently running an integrative medicine clinic in Nagoya. Human consciousness is often referred to as ego-consciousness or conscious awareness, and it is frequently described as just the tip of the iceberg. Beneath conscious awareness lies the realm of the subconscious mind, which accounts for more than 95% of our mental activity. The Swiss psychiatrist Carl Jung proposed the concept of the collective unconscious, sometimes also referred to as collective consciousness. According to Jung, the human psyche consists of 2 layers: the personal unconscious, which contains forgotten or repressed individual memories and experiences, and the collective unconscious, which represents mental structures inherited and shared by the human species as a whole. Subconscious mind is classified into personal, unconscious, and collective unconscious. The collective unconscious is the idea that universal patterns of the mind exist beyond culture, nationality, and historical era. These patterns were formed through evolution and are inherited genetically. The collective unconscious is said to manifest itself in dreams, myths, folk tales, works of art, religious experiences, and rituals. Individual consciousness, therefore, is interconnected through this collective unconscious or collective consciousness. As long as we remain at the level of conscious awareness and personal unconscious, there is a clear distinction between self and others. I am me, and you are you. However, once we are able to step into the realm of the collective unconscious, the boundary between self and others dissolves, and we experience a sense in which I am you and you are me. Transpersonal psychology is a field within psychology that focuses on aspects of human consciousness, identity, and growth that transcend the ordinary personality or ego. As the term transpersonal suggests, it encompasses spirituality and transcendent states of awareness, and studies topics such as mystical experiences, enlightenment, religious experiences, near-death experiences, and altered states of consciousness. This field was proposed in the 1960s and 1970s by figures such as Abraham Maslow, Stanislav Grof, and Ken Wilber. Transpersonal psychology is often misunderstood as being purely spiritual or religious. However, it does not uncritically affirm paranormal phenomena. Rather, it seeks to systematically study profound subjective experiences within a psychological framework. It aims to bring transcendental experiences and spiritual growth, areas neglected by psychoanalysis and behaviorism, closer to a scientific perspective. It proposes the existence of a cosmic or transcendent consciousness that goes beyond individual identity. In the subconscious mind, in addition to personal unconscious and collective unconscious, cosmic or transcendent consciousness exists. When we are able to enter this realm of cosmic or transcendent consciousness, the distinction between self and others diminishes even further, and the sense of interconnectedness becomes increasingly strong. There are at least 2 major types of meditation: mindfulness meditation and compassion meditation. Mindfulness meditation has attracted significant attention from the perspective of neuroscience as a method for enhancing concentration and cognitive clarity. In 2007, Google launched a mindfulness meditation program. Since then, interest in meditation among Google employees has steadily increased. And today, more than 5,000 Googlers reportedly practice meditation. The benefits of mindfulness meditation include improved stress resilience, enhanced concentration, and the promotion of creative and clear thinking. Compassion meditation, on the other hand, involves continuously wishing for the happiness of others. Compassion meditation does not require actually meeting people or performing kind actions in person. Instead, practitioners train themselves to sincerely and wholeheartedly wish for the happiness of all people, without discrimination. Mindfulness meditation remains largely within the domain of individual ego consciousness and the personal subconscious, where the self and others are still perceived as separate entities. In contrast, compassion meditation first reaches a level of cosmic consciousness, or the collective unconscious, and from there directs its influence back toward one's own subconscious and conscious awareness. The fundamental difference between mindfulness meditation and compassion meditation lies in their direction of influence. Mindfulness meditation focuses on the individual ego consciousness, whereas compassion meditation begins by immersing oneself in the realm of cosmic or transcendent consciousness, and then works in the reverse direction to transform one's subconscious and conscious mind. As I mentioned previously, oxytocin removes the boundaries between self and others, allowing you and me to become one. It fosters feelings of love and empathy between individuals. Studies have reported that compassion meditation, as well as meditation on love and gratitude, increases oxytocin levels. This increased oxytocin may act on the posterior superior parietal lobule, a brain region involved in distinguishing between self and others, thereby reducing this distinction. Compassion meditation can thus be understood as a process of transforming neural circuits in the brain from self-centeredness to altruism with the assistance of oxytocin. In transpersonal psychology, meditation can be defined as reaching the level of transcendent or cosmic consciousness. At this level, the boundary between self and others disappears, the ego dissolves, and personal desire no longer exists. Through meditation, we step away from conscious awareness, immerse ourselves in cosmic consciousness, and gain a panoramic view of our lives. Oxytocin elevated through meditation dissolves the boundaries between self and others, leading us to cosmic consciousness. We awaken to a world of oneness, in which everyone is connected and everything is one. Cosmic consciousness may be the original world to which our souls are meant to return. Meditation is a means by which the soul, confined within the individual body, becomes aware of its true original reality. Today I have discussed the relationship between meditation, collective consciousness, and oxytocin. I hope you look forward to our next session